E aí galera, beleza? E você? Tá na dúvida sobre qual corte fazer no seu cabelo? Então você veio ao lugar certo. Aqui no canal Moisés de Cabeleireiro você vai ver vários vídeos com vários cortes diferentes e vários estilos para poder você levar para o seu cabeleireiro ou para o seu barbeiro. Então fica com esse corte aí incrível. Tenho certeza que você vai curtir. Mas antes, vai se inscrevendo no canal e deixa o seu like para dar aquela moral. Abraço forte!
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. Make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared I walk a straight path. Not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb. And I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up. Cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
Well, you done me and I bet I felt it. I tried to beat you, but I'm so hot that I'm melted. A red eye to the cracks. No, I'm trying to get back before the cool down run out without giving it my best. And nothing gonna stop by divine intervention. A record to again my turn to win some lonesome, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. it cannot wait. I'm yours, do-do-do. Do-do-do, do-do-do-do. Do-do-do. Do-do-do. Open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and then you're free. Look into your heart and find some love, 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 love. Listen to the music of the moment, people dance and sing. We just one big family. It's our God for sacred right to be a love, 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 love. But I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm sure there's no need to complicate the time. It's sure this is our fate. I'm yours, do-do-do.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd